Namaste to Honorable Principal, teachers and my dear friends. My name is D.R.A. Poyagre, studying 4th CBS in Dr. Business School. Today I am going to say a few things about the World Elephant Day. On 12th August 2012, the first International Elephant Day was celebrated. Since then, it is observed annually, and this day is dedicated to the huge animal protection and preservation. Let me tell you that in 2011, World Elephant Day was conceived by the Elephant Reintroduction Foundation and filmmakers Patricia Sims and Michael Clark. It was officially launched on August 12, 2012. Poaching, human-elephant conflict, mistreatment in captivity, riding on an elephant are the threats facing by the African and Asian elephants. Solutions for the threats are together work towards better protection for wild animals, improve enforcement policies to prevent illegal poaching, improve the trade of ivory, conserve the habitats of elephants, provide better treatment for captive elephants. When it is appropriate, then reintroduces captive elephants into the natural habitat. Protect sanctuaries is one of the goals of several elephant conservation organizations and focus around the world. The best way to celebrate the day is to educate yourself and others about this magnificent animal that is an elephant. Union Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar released a document on best practices and launched a beta version of the national portal on human-elephant conflict called Suraksha on the eve of World Elephant Day. Let me tell you that in the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species, African elephants are listed vulnerable and Asian elephant as endangered. To stop killing elephants, MIKE program was established by the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora cities. By Resolution 10.10 adopted at the 10th Conference of the Parties in 1997. Around 28 sites participating in the MIKE program in Asia, which are distributed around 13 countries. Let me tell you that India has around 10 sites, which are followed by 2 sites each in Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar and Thailand, and 1 site each in Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Vietnam. Let you know that more than 65 wildlife organizations and several people around the world celebrate this day. There is still time and we can still save elephants to keep this Earth a planet full of these cute and adorable creatures. Let us become the reason for their happiness and good life, and not the reason for their extinction. Save elephants. Thank you. Yours, D.R. Poyagrace, 4th CBSE, Dr. Beeson School.